Hello everyone. Today in this lesson we are going to talk about the gravitational potential energy. When we are dealing with the Newton laws of mechanics, we assume the surface of the earth as a reference and we will say potential energy is mgh. But if you consider the earth as a circular spherical body having a center with a radius r, let the mass of that earth is m. When the body is on the surface of the earth whose mass is on the surface, whose mass is small m, its potential energy is not measured from the surface of the earth, rather it is measured from the center of the earth. Then it will have some value. We would like to calculate what is that value is. To put that body on the surface of the earth from somewhere, we must have done some work. We can write the formula for that work done as F into dx. Because I am calculating the work done for producing a small displacement dx, the work done is also equal to small. We know the force between the two bodies according to Newton law of gravitation is G m1 m2 by r square and dx. If you write in a general terms, we can write it like G m1 m2 by x square dx, assuming the separation is x. To get the total work done, as it is only a small part of the work done, for each dx we need to do these kinds of the work done. To get the total work done, we have to add all that work done. Adding like that is mathematically called integration. So integral of dw equal to integral of gmm by x square and dx. That implies integral of differentiation of w is nothing but work done. Capital G, capital M and small m are constants. Integral of x power minus 2 dx. We know there is a formula. Integral of x power n dx is equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. By substituting in that, we can get the work done in keeping the body on the surface of the earth as x power minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1. That's nothing but equal to g mm x power minus 1 by minus 1. That's nothing but equal to minus gmm by x. If the separation is r, for separation r on surface, in the other way, body is on surface, automatically the value of the x becomes r. That implies the work done for that is minus gmm by radius of the earth. Well, we have done this much of the work. That work done cannot be disappeared all of a sudden according to law of conservation of energy. Therefore, that work done converts into some format of energy according to law of conservation of energy. And that energy is called nothing but gravitational potential energy. This work done itself is equal to the gravitational potential energy. So even the body on the surface of the earth will have some gravitational potential energy. Suppose the body is at a height h from the surface of the earth. Gravitational potential at a height h, we can write the gravitational potential energy as minus gmm by r plus h. Negative gravitational potential energy is a symbolic way of saying that the body is on the surface of the earth and it is connected to the influence of the earth. Suppose if it has gone to at infinity, the body is at infinity, then the potential energy becomes minus gmm by r plus infinity, that is equal to 0, because something plus infinity is infinity and something by infinity is equal to 0. So at the best, the potential energy becomes 0, it will never becomes positive. So negative potential energy is a symbolic way of saying that the body is associated with the system of the earth. As the body is going away from the earth, gravitational potential energy increases. And when the body goes to infinity, this gravitational potential energy becomes zero, but it is never positive. So that is regarding the gravitational potential energy. Thank you for watching.